So we're about to go on our spring break trip, our very short trip for this weekend. Staycation in Chicago. We got an Airbnb, me, B2, Lal, Raquel, Marcus. We're gonna stay there for the night. We're making seafood boil for dinner, so we're gonna show you that later. Right now we gotta get gas, and then we're gonna drive 30 minutes up north to Raquel's house because we're gonna meet them there and then pick them up, and then we'll go to Chicago. So hopefully the drive will be okay because I've never driven up there by myself. I usually have my dad with me, but I think we'll be fine. Just need to know how to parallel park. We'll figure it out. Alright, peace out. See you later.
Cause we did this when we tried before. We like comes and goes. Crispy boys still play the game all the time. 따스한 야간 별을 떼어내줘. 옅은 빛을 살피고 있으면 내일이 그리 기다려졌는데 이젠 그렇지도 않아.
So we're going to Chicago, our staycation.
Oh my God.
Road trip. There's traffic.
Oh darn, I forgot.
It's already dark outside. It smells so good in here too. Our Airbnb. We're in our Airbnb. Safely made it. Yeah, thanks to
That we hired.
Did directions. Us three. Raquel burped.
Yes, I did burp.
It smells so good. We're gonna get our stuff and then we're gonna cook. Let's do a house tour real quick. So this is our house. Choose your room. This is actually really nice. Where's the lights for this? In the kitchen. Got a little... When the water starts boiling, but we're making seafood boil tonight. We got our butter for the sauce. We need 5 sticks of butter. And we also have all of our seasoning over here. I prepared this ahead of time so we don't have to like chop everything up here because I got the garlic and onion chopped up. It's in the fridge. This is dinner. Garlic, onion, salsa, and juice. Just kidding. Seafood boil because it's Friday. We can't eat meat. I can't eat meat. There's also mussels, I think. So this and some mussels. We're waiting for the water to boil so we can cook the seafood. But I'm starting on the sauce. I didn't put the seasoning yet. I'm gonna put the garlic and the onion next.
Yeah.
Thank you to Lal, my cameraman. Pepper flakes in.
I am the chef.
I am the one, the way your son don't need a gun to
Garlic powder. This is the most important ingredient, the Old Bay.
Seafood.
So far what we have in there started out with melted butter, and then I put garlic and onion in there and some pepper flakes, paprika, garlic powder, Old Bay. Then we'll add some of this lemon pepper in a little bit.
Raquel is doing that.
Mixing the seasonings for the sauce.
In here. It's looking pretty cooked already, so I think we're gonna take it out now. Raquel's cutting up the potatoes. Lal is washing the potatoes.
We're washing the potatoes. okay. You guys are dancing, honestly, like, you know.
Wait, it's not dancing music. Okay, when it gets dancing music, I'll dance. I feel like there's somebody under us. I don't know.
There's someone on top, I know. Cause
On top of us? Yeah.
There you go. Lovely big shred. We're gonna put these in next.
the muscles.
I don't know the lyrics though.
Yeah.
You would not believe your eyes. 10 million eyes. The world and I fell asleep.
Okay, I'm gonna do it. Wait.
Feel the open air. And we teardrops everywhere. You think me room, but I would just stand there, stare. I like to make myself believe that planet Earth turns slowly. It's hard to say. Stay awake, not asleep. Everything is never as it seems.
We're setting up the table. It's an American flag theme.
Ooh, another one.
Like a volcano.
Oh my gosh.
Now no more wait, right?
Okay, that's good, that's good, that's good.
The tail. They demolished their side. Look at how much their tray has. Their side. Plus Raquel and Marcus.
Okay, there's this.
It looks like only one person ate. 3 people ate this. There's so much over here too. Loading up a movie. We're playing New Super Mario Bros. on their Wii that they have for us. We're loading. Oh, yours said we clean up. Chilling over there. Yeah. She's all comfy now.
Get off of this. Get off.
I sacrificed myself for you guys.
Technically, you didn't do anything. You just stand it, so.
Just woke up. I've been up since 5 a.m. Mom's up. Everyone else is still asleep. Where are you going?
Going to the escape room.
Alright. 15 minutes early, boy, we supposed to 39 already. We have to leave now.
Going to the escape room. I think we're gonna be late because we still have to drive over there, but
Are they okay?
yeah,
We'll just have
first
a little
time.
bit time off our thing as long as we make it by the actual time.
But it's not like we were supposed to be there. First time going to escape room. Hopefully we get out.
Continue for 2 miles.
PanIQ, right?
Yeah.
We're a little late for the start of your class. You guys are prepared for class, right?
Yeah.
Alright, we just got done with the escape room. It was a lot of fun.
Yeah, it was.
It was hard if we didn't have the hints, and we ended up finishing it, so we were late too. Yeah, we were late.
We were late and still finished on time.
How was your first
That
escape room
was
experience?
wonderful.
It was fun. So we're back at the Airbnb and we're just gonna clean up. Hang out here for just a little bit. We got some Bad sushi gorilla. The gorilla sushi.
Because it doesn't come out fast.
Yeah. We didn't even get a He didn't get his food.
This is just half of it, guys.
Oh yeah. It's so windy today. Everyone's really cool. We're at the water towers.
Like tomato soup.
Maybe different
Fake.
brisket sandwich and fries.